Good morning, students. I hope you all are very fine and taking care of you properly. Okay, now see, we are going to start chapter 1 of textbook. Okay, a letter to God. As I think materials are with you, so I am going to start the about the author or about the story. The story, A Letter to God by G.L. Fiends revolves around the idea of having unquestionable belief in something. This story is about unquestionable belief in something. As you are mature guys, and we always see people believe in something also that is unquestionable. Sometimes you also might be other people have question why they are doing so, why they believe in this, you know. So this story is also having the idea of unquestionable belief in something we don't know, but something we believe, we don't know why. Like this, the story is set in Latin American country. Lencho, the farmer, who is the protagonist. I will give you the meaning of this sentence. Whenever I will say meaning, I will elaborate it. Who is the protagonist of the story, writes a letter to God seeking help from the Almighty after discovering his entire crop yield destroyed by the devastating hailstorm. That year there was a hailstorm, and the story is of Latin American country. Lencho is a farmer who is protagonist of the story, main character. He is the main character, and the story runs, or the story walks around and around this character. And the story writes a letter. The farmer Lencho write a letter to the God seeking help from the Almighty after discovering his entire crop yield destroyed by the devastating of hailstorm. At that year hailstorm came. It destroyed all the crops of that Lencho. Okay, and now he is writing a letter to the God that this type of incident happened to me. Although his wishes get fulfilled partially, in meanwhile his wishes, Lencho's wishes, partially get fulfilled. If not completely, he is ungrateful in the end. But he is ungrateful to God in the end and questions the honesty and modesty of the postmasters who actually helped him with money. Okay, at the end that postmaster helped him with the money. But what about Lencho? Lencho is still dissatisfied. Money can anonymously, this is the figure of speech, in the name of God. Who sent that money? Postmaster. But what Lencho is doing? He is very ungrateful with that incident. Partially he was helped by the God. Here climax is there. Partially he was helped by the God, but he was not fulfilled. He was ungrateful. Ungrateful, it means not grateful to God. Okay, and he was, at the end, he raised the questions about the honesty and modesty of the postmaster. What he is thinking? He raised the question about the honesty of that postmaster who post the letters. and helped him with money in the name of God. And he was the postmaster who helped him the money help him with money in the name of God. The story depicts unwavering faith of the farmer in God. It begins with a farmer named Lencho expecting for a rain shower to nourish his field of corn. He is confident that his harvest is going to yield him huge profit. Okay, as every person know, for example, nowadays this crisis of COVID-19 are going on, so everyone is panic, like farmers also. Some farmers might be decided before 3-4 months, or might be they have an idea, this year my crop is very nice and I will earn 4 to 5 lakh definitely. Okay, like this prediction of this Lencho here, my crop will be, at the time of harvesting, my crop will definitely give me more profit this year. Just like it does every year, and he was in a profit every year. To his utmost excitement, rainfall did happen, but sooner it turned into a hailstorm, destroying his entire crop field. But the things are not always as we are thinking. Okay, some things are not in our hand. So same thing was happened, same bad luck was happened with Lencho. What has done? It turned into a hailstorm. Yes, rain came. Definitely the rain came, but the rain turned into a hailstorm. You know, hailstorm, a thunder with ice or ice balls, that is called hailstorm. A rain with ice balls, you know, destroying the entire crop field, and that destroy entire crop field. The damage posed a threat to the family's survival. The damage posed the family's survival, as their entire livelihood was dependent on the year's produce. Okay, as you also know, so many farmers around us, we also see their livelihood, their entire livelihood, their whole year's expenses are depend on that crop. Okay, and same thing was with him. Now his survival was not possible. His survival, as their entire livelihood was dependent on the year's produce. Although disheartened, the family had robust belief in the Almighty Lencho. Lencho was almighty. Almighty means strong. Despite having worked day and night at the field, knew how to write, and thus decided to write a letter to God explaining his situation. But his family robust believe in Almighty Lencho. His family know that Lencho is hardworking. He is very strong to face this situation, and despite having worked day and night at the field, knew how to write, and thus they decided to write a letter to the God explaining his situation. Now Lencho decided with the family members that I am going to write a letter to the God, and I will explain this situation to him and asking for help. He went to town to post his letter addressed to God. Now Lencho went to town to post his letter and addressed to God. Okay, now what happened next? See. The letter, on being noticed by the postmaster, at first amused him, but then motivated him want to do something for the farmer. First, when the postmaster saw that address of the god, then he became amused, he became surprised, but then motivated him want to do something for the farmer. But something humanity arose in his mind, and that humanity told him that I should help to the poor farmer, so as to keep his immense belief in fact, and as to keep his immense belief in fact, उसका जो बिलीफ है गॉड में वो वैसा ही रहे उसके लिए. व्हाट हैपन? सी, ही कंट्रीब्यूट्स फ्रॉम हिज सैलरी एंड कलेक्ट्स मनी फ्रॉम कलीग्स एंड फ्रेंड्स हु विलिंगली कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू एन एक्ट ऑफ चैरिटी. जो लोग चैरिटी में पैसा देते हैं, अपने हाथ से कुछ दान करते हैं, ऐसे कलीग से, ऐसे फैमिली फ्रेंड से वो पोस्ट मास्टर ने कुछ पैसा इकट्ठा किया. ही कलेक्टेड द मनी फ्रॉम सम पीपल हु एक्ट ऑफ चैरिटी एंड कंट्रीब्यूटेड मनी फ्रॉम फ्रेंड्स. ओके, एंड टू हिज डिसमे he could only collect 2 pesos, 70 pesos, which this is currency, which he wrapped an envelope to make it seem like a reply from the deity. You know deity means God. Okay, deity means God. Now see what happened here. His dismay, it means his bad luck. He could only collect 70 pesos. Pesos means that currency, that country's currency, which he wrapped in the envelope, and to make it seem like a reply from the God. Deity here means God, and this is the reply from the God to your letter. Now we are going to stop here. Okay, and take care of you.